Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles. Vibrations of the Spirit is very important because we have all over the world, we have such a mess. It's chaos everywhere. But the good news, and this is very important that you know that, is that we as human family, we are ready. We are ready for a new dimension, for new possibilities. We have to open ourselves to reconnect with nature and with nature elements. I'm here in the most prettiest villages, but spiritual villages of Belgium. It's called Tourny. It's like the Provence of France, and it's like a painting. And I was here on this spot, and I was like sleeping. I'm doing my little siesta. I'm doing my little meditation, and in between the sleep and awakeness, I feel a glow, a beautiful glow of, it's like very lovingly glow. And I was feeling that fragrance. It was like an essential oil that I don't know, flowers. And I felt it, it was coming from the other dimension because it was truly like the most, the most beautiful fragrance I've ever smelled in my life. And I was just wondering what that was. So I was entering the other dimension and I saw this beautiful, beautiful lady of the woods. It's like a kind of a nymph, elfish person that came with a message. And I thought, this is not only my message. So she said, human people, you are ready. We are ready. We have to reconnect again because it has been a long, long time since we met again in real time. Because in the other dimension, there is no time. And there is a time in between the dimensions. And there is where we will meet, which means that we, for human people, it's very important to go into nature, not going to listen to news or whatever chaos there is outside. You really have to return inside and really go under trees, in woods, where it feels pure. Don't go out and be with people who are very negative, who are absorbed by the news, because this is illusion what's happening. The real thing what is happening is that the earth is coming home, which means that we as human, we are coming home in our heart again. We will remember who we are. We are remembering that we are part of nature, that the Deva, the elementals, they are coming back and will whisper again. We will communicate again with those beings who always helped us to have a magical life on earth. And this is what is happening. Please open your heart and be on your heart. The biggest path that we as humans will make is very the path from our head to our heart. And I know it's difficult, but you really, the only thing you have to do is to disconnect from poisonous, negative words, people, situations, and you have to go into a place of nature, whether it's a tree, whether it's a stone, whether it is animals, but go please into nature and resource yourself and go into the water, because the water has so many information. Only by swimming in pure water you will feel the pureness. You will feel and remember who you are as a human being, connecting with your tribe that vibrate on the same level. And then you will see, you will grow, and it's gonna be huge. You are so amazing. And sometimes we don't uh, we forgotten who we are. And please remember this summer who you really truly are. I wish you a beautiful summer, and I will have a break for a few months, but I will be back in September with new concerts, with new movement, with new travelings all over the world. So I hope to see you in September. Thank you so much. Oha.